Hello everyone, what's up? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my new video. Let's start. Today I am starting from page number 30, but before start, the remaining part of the chapter, just have a quick recap of the previous incidents of the chapter. The cricket match by Richard Rupnarayan is a short narration of a cricket match. After winning the match, the players of the team had to run away to save their lives from their opponent team. They had been playing a cricket match on every Sunday, not exception that Sunday also. There was a match and he was in hope to be picked up for the team. He was thinking of the place he was told to field and his number in the batting line. He was in doubt to score any run for the team or he will duck the match. Let's start from the page number 30. Most noticeably missing that Sunday was Totaram Singh. He was a spoiled brat who cried and threw a tantrum if he was not selected. Totaram was neither a reliable batsman nor fielder, and the only reason he made it to the team as often he did was because he was one of the older boys and he provided snacks from his father's shop free without his father's knowledge, of course. Means Totaram Singh was a spoiled brat, means a spoiled boy. He was a मतलब एक बदमाश बच्चा है, ये कह सकते हैं बिगड़ा हुआ बच्चा, spoiled boy. तो what he do, he always brings snacks from his father's shop without taking permission from his father. Alright, that's why he was there in the team. This is the reason for his presence. He was there in the team. Next paragraph. At exactly 1 p.m., we grabbed our bats and headed went across the field to face our opponents. Our opponents had not yet arrived on the scene, but we were not surprised, for they loved to make a big show of their entrance. At exactly 1 p.m., they started moving to the field at 1 p.m. sharp. ठीक है? We grabbed the bats. They grabbed their bats and started moving towards the field where they had to play the match. All right. Till that time, the opponent team was not there because they loved to perform a big show. मतलब जब वो आते थे उनको ऐसा लगता था कि जो बाकी सब आ जाएं और वो एक मतलब ताली बजा के उनका स्वागत करें और मतलब एक शो टाइप का मतलब उनको एक अच्छा लगता था कि उनके वेलकम जो बड़ा शानदार वेलकम. Just as we arrived, the captain turned up as though he was hiding in the bush somewhere close by. After the toss, he retreated to the fence, took out a whistle from his pant pocket and blew a shrill note. Presently, from a house 2 blocks away, a single file of teenager boys marched into the field. ठीक है? As just we arrived, the captain turned up. जैसे ही वो लोग पहुँचे, जैसे ही हम लोग वहाँ पहुँच गए, तो the captain turned up. Captain आ गया, है ना? As he was hiding somewhere in the bushes. In between the bushes, he was hiding and he was waiting for us to be there in the field. Immediately we were there, they came up, and after the toss, he again went there in near the bushes and blew a shrill note from his whistle. ठीक है, whistle means जानते हैं आप लोग, सीटी. अपनी सीटी से उसने एक साउंड किया. देन क्या हुआ, एक लाइन टीनेजर्स की, है ना, टीनेजर बॉयज़ की एक लाइन आना शुरू हो गई फील्ड की तरफ. ऑलराइट. Shortly the game was on. They won the toss and elected to bat. It was a smart move. With the unrelenting heat, the batting side definitely had an advantage. Unfortunately, they did not take advantage of it. One by one, their wicket begins to crumble, and their side was bowled out from a paltry 39 runs. ठीक है. Shortly the game was immediately afterwards the game started, और they won the toss because मतलब हमारे जो opponent team थे, they won the toss and elected to bat. They choose to bat. फिर with a smart move, that was a smart move because it was very hot that day, so the batting means will get definitely an advantage for that. ठीक है, जो मतलब इस गर्मी में बैटिंग करना ज़्यादा इजी होगा इंस्टेड ऑफ बाउलिंग और फील्डिंग. ठीक है. तो अनफॉर्चुनेट दे डिड नॉट टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ इट, बट दे मिस द एडवांटेज. मीन्स उसके बावजूद दे स्टार्ट लूजिंग देयर विकेट्स वन बाय वन. ठीक है. फिर एंड देयर साइड वॉज बॉल आउट फॉर अ पैल्ट्री थिन 39 runs. वो बहुत स्मॉल, मतलब बहुत पैल्ट्री मीन्स इट इज़ गिवन हियर वेरी स्मॉल, मतलब बहुत थोड़े से रन्स के साथ वो लोग सब आउट हो गए, ऑल आउट हो गए. दे स्कोर्ड ओनली 39 runs. Then it was our turn to bat. Manny and our captain opened the innings, and together they built up 19. ठीक है, 19 means our captain and Manny, the best batsman of our team, they started the match and they scored 19. Our captain lost his wicket. Then immediately our captain lost his wicket while swinging late to the full toss. उसने क्या कर दिया, फुल टॉस बॉल आई थी और उसने अपना बैट क्या कहते हैं स्विंग करने में देर कर दी. Many batted on while his partners kept crumbling. एक एक करके उनके पार्टनर्स crumbling means है here getting dismissed, मतलब एक एक करके वो जाते रहे. ठीक है. And with one run to win, I found myself the last batsman in the lineup. ठीक है. Then the narrator was the last batsman and he has to score only one run to win. Facing the most powerful bowler, and in front of him the most powerful bowler of the opponent team was available. Yeah, he was bowling as he delivered the ball down to the leg side. I pushed my bat instinctively out towards my leg side, and then I heard many call out, "Run, run!" And I began to gallop. Gallop, I have told you the meaning earlier also. Gallop means होता है घोड़े की तरह चलना, उछल उछल के, कूद कूद के. यहाँ पर gallop मतलब दौड़ना है. ठीक है. तो क्या मेरे पैर के पास बॉल आई और आई पुश्ड माई बैट इंस्टिंक्टिवली, तुरंत मैंने अपना जो है बैट को पुश कर दिया, है ना, आउट टूवर्ड्स माई लेग साइड, एंड देन आई हर्ड मैनी कॉल आउट. तभी जो है मैंने आवाज़ सुनी किसकी, मैनी की. वो बुला रहा था रन रन, और मैंने दौड़ना शुरू किया. आई वॉज श्योर दैट आई डिड नॉट hit the ball, but it sounded that way because it hit a brick and glanced sideways. Nevertheless, no one objected, and we celebrated victory for all of 5 seconds. Then we began to scatter. ठीक है, तो हुआ क्या? The narrator is saying कि he listened, he heard that he has not hit the ball. He has not hit the ball. ठीक है, but instead because no one objected, he ran. क्योंकि किसी ने ऑब्जेक्शन ही नहीं किया तो वो दौड़ गया और दे सेलिब्रेटेड विक्ट्री ओनली फॉर द 5 seconds. देन वी बिगेन टू स्कैटर. स्कैटर मीन्स इधर उधर भाग गए, मतलब थोड़ी देर के लिए सिर्फ हम लोग भूल गए थे वो डर, वो टेंशन कि वो लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग को मारेंगे जो अपोजिट टीम वाले हैं, और हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा इंजॉय किया 5 seconds तक. आफ्टरवर्ड्स we all just remember that our sufferings, our pain, now what is about to मतलब about to feel, है ना, about to feel, या क्या है कि हमारे नसीब में अब जो पड़ने वाला है, तो हम लोग क्या हो गए, इधर उधर भाग गए, स्कैटर्ड हो गए, फैल गए. The losing captain assembled his men to beat us, and before they could reach the sideline to get their bats, we were rushing eastwards through the fields. ना, जो हारा हुआ कैप्टन है उसने सब अपने मेंस को बुलाया और क्या किया, वो दौड़ करके अपने बैट्स लेने के लिए चले गए, है ना. देन टिल देन हम लोगों ने क्या किया, वी स्टार्टेड रनिंग थ्रू द फील्ड्स. देयर कैप्टन वाज चेजिंग आवर कैप्टन, and instead of taking the shortest distance between the 2 points, our captain decided to run around the perimeter of the field as if he were in a long distance race. मतलब कि जो कैप्टन था उसकी टीम का, अपोनेंट टीम का, he was chasing our captain and they were मतलब they were running, वो कैसे दौड़ रहे थे, they were running in the field like नियर द पैरी रिंग, वो क्या कहते हैं इसको, पैरीमीटर, है. ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे वो पैरीमीटर के मतलब वो बाउंड्री लाइन के पास दौड़ रहे थे, मतलब पैरीमीटर बना रहे थे उसका. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रेस में पार्टिसिपेट किया दोनों ने, और डिस्टेंस क्या था दोनों के बीच में, बहुत कम. ऑलराइट. In the past, when the chase for our captain appeared to be unsuccessful, the opposing team's captain would often turn his attention to one of us. For this reason, the moment we scored the winning run, we would start running. Every one of us. Today I was the first to run when I scored the dubious winning run. In the means कि when the captain of the opposite team find himself unsuccessful to catch our captain, मतलब जब वो अपने आप को अनसक्सेसफुल पाया और जब उसने कि वो नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हैं हमारे कैप्टन को, then he turned his attention towards one of us. और वो वन कौन था? The one who made the dubious winning run. Dubious, doubtful means अगर वो एक रन नहीं बनता तो ये लोग ना जीत पाते. तो जो dubious winning run बनाने वाला था उसकी तरफ उसका अटेंशन चला गया. ठीक है. From the safety of the bridge leading into our home, we catch with relief as our captain came home in one piece and the figure of our opponents melted away, slowly disappeared. ठीक है. तो कह रहे हैं कि उसके बाद जो है किसी तरह से हम लोगों ने जो है दौड़ के, और तब हम लोगों ने सांस ली जब हमारे कैप्टन और हम सब जो है हमारे घर पहुंच गए. और काफ़ी जब थोड़ा टाइम बीत गया तो हमारे जो अपोनेंट टीम थे उनका गुस्सा भी क्या हो गया, फिर ये क्या कहते हैं, गुस्सा भी क्या हो गया, मेल्ट हो गया, मतलब स्लोली डिसअपियर हो गया. Into the tall grass under the orange glow of the dying sun, we had won the match and had outrun our opponents. Outrun, got away from. ठीक है। तो इस तरह से जो है हम लोगों ने अपने आप को सेव किया और भाग के आ गए वापस, ठीक है। वी वाज्ड अप एंड वर रेडी टू ईट आवर दाल एंड रोटी एंड बिलीव द एडवेंचर एंड एक सेकेंड एंड relieve the adventure of the day, and come next week we could be ready to play again, and if we were lucky enough to win again we would be ready to run again. Means after came up at our houses, we are taken a bath, है ना, we had our dal roti, and then after we relieved from the adventure of the day. उसके बाद हम लोगों को वो जो सारे दिन का जो एडवेंचर था उससे हम लोगों को रिलीफ मिला। एंड कम नेक्स्ट वीक वी कुड बी रेडी टू प्ले, और जब नया अगला हफ्ता आया तो वी वर रेडी टू प्ले अगेन द मैच, एंड इफ यू वर लकी एनफ तो विन एंड अगेन रन फ्रॉम द अपोनेंट टीम। थैंक यू। Before sum up the video, I want to revise the chapter with you, for which I have prepared some questions for you to answer. Just start with this. It is enough for today's lesson. We'll meet again in my next video. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, and thanks for watching.